Attention bracket racers. Whether on the job, towing to the track, or cruising through your daily drive, chances are you need a truck. And just like a race down the track, you can head straight to Autoland Outlets. Racer-owned for over 30 years, the team at Autoland Outlets are diesel 4x4 and commercial truck experts. Not to mention, Autoland also sells and services cars and SUVs too. And if we don't have what you're looking for, we'll go out and find it. Autoland Outlets is located in Roscoe, Illinois. Give us a call at 815-525-5000 or visit AutolandOutlets.com. And new for 2024, the Autoland Outlets Big Money Bracket Racing Contingency Program. Win or runner-up at any Big Bucks bracket race listed on Autoland Outlets' official Contingency Program flyer, and you can take home even more prize money. To see if you qualify, see the flyer. Call Autoland Outlets at 815-525-5000 or visit the Autoland Outlets race team trailer in the pits. Drive with the best and race to the top with Autoland Outlets. Trucks, cars, SUVs, for racers, by racers.